Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Serenelife portable air conditioner. More specifically, this is the 8000 BTU unit. It does come in several different BTU styles, I guess you could call. There's an 8000, 10,000, 12,000, and 14,000. Now the prices kind of do vary on this unit. It's kind of weird. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check the one that I'm reviewing out, but at the time of the recording of this video, like the 10,000 BT unit is actually cheaper than the 8,000 BT unit, so the prices fluctuate quite a bit. They're all, for intents and purposes, the same exact model. The fan is exactly the same unit. The only difference between the different BTUs is the compressor size and the radiator size, and of course how much power it draws, but honestly between all of them it's very insignificant. But my point is, pick one based on your room size and which one is kind of the cheapest, best deal for the money. But like I said, if you click the link below, it'll take you to all of them so you can kind of compare the price and see which one's the best deal at the time. Anyway, I hadn't seen too many reviews on this portable air conditioner, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. That being said, I think for the money, this is the best portable air conditioner out there, hands down. I'm extremely happy with it. It's worked great. I have no complaints whatsoever, but I'll talk about a little bit more why I like it. For one, it's very quiet. I've had portable air conditioners in the past that either the compressor's loud or the fans are loud, and it's exceptionally annoying. This is extremely quiet. It was one of the quietest compressors I've ever heard, or didn't hear, I guess you could say. But you get just kind of a nice relaxing fan noise, so if you do like use the sound to sleep, you'll still hear it, but it's not an annoying sound, if that makes sense. It's built very well. If you look at a lot of the Amazon reviews or the long-term reviews on it, it's held up for a really long time. It has a very easy to read LED display on the top that shows the temperature. Very basic, very simple to use. It does come with a pretty handy remote control, actually. Not too many buttons, basically. Excuse me, power button, and then your up and down temperature, and then the different modes it can go on. It does have a filter that can be easily cleaned. It comes right out of the back. It's kind of like one of those screen door type filter things, but you can pop it out, wash it, clean it off, vacuum it off, and put it back. So there's never any filters you need to change on this, which is nice. Comes with the window vent kit, so you don't have to worry about that. It has an included exhaust hose as well, which is about 5 feet long, so it has to be fairly close to the window, which most of them are anyway. But yeah, kind of the most important thing is it's very quiet. It's very efficient. I didn't even notice like a change at all in my electricity bill, and this thing has been putting out cold air like 24/7. It'll do a very large room too. Easily, it says rated 100 to 150 square feet, but honestly this will do quite a bit bigger room than that. That's like if you want to keep the room at like 60 degrees. But if you actually keep it at a normal human being temperature, this could do really an entire house, I hate to say. I mean, it's possible depending on the size of your house, but it'll do a very large room. If you have a big great room with a kitchen attached to it, no problem. But yeah, anyway, very happy with it, highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.